Hi guys, I'm Liam from Chimera Gaming stuff and welcome back to another video. I did this Springtrap sketch. It's pretty good, so I decided to paint it. And I'm going to show you how to paint it. I am using this olive grove green for the base. It is time to paint its super cute kawaii face. Fun fact, Springtrap's face in this sketch seems like bombastic side-eye. Really? I'm serious. By the way, I'm highlighting some parts of Springtrap's face with this green. To do a better effect, use also this one. In the Five Nights at Freddy's lore, this Springtrap's character has been burned many times, so I'm trying to do the Spring Bonnie suit burned with a burnt effect. Yeah, our bro doesn't wash his teeth. So we're going to use a Vallejo color. This beautiful yellowish color. For the eyes, I used also that preview color that I used on the teeth. Now I am adding some details, for example the blood on the teeth. I am also highlighting the eyes. To increase this effect, use also a yellow color, similar to the one that we used on the eyes and on the teeth. Almost finished, just fixing some parts.